Today we're going to be looking at this gorgeous crystal chandelier style lamp. It is very heavy for its size. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged really well to protect it during shipping. This looks fantastic even when it's off. But when it's on, it is gorgeous, okay? Like, this is probably the prettiest accent lamp I think I've ever seen. The on-off switch is located right on the cord. It puts off a really soft, warm white light, and all of those little crystals, you can see the patterns on the wall. It looks so cool. If you're looking for a unique and really pretty accent lamp, I would highly recommend this one. It also is not stationary, so you can kind of make it like move around. That is so cool.